little bit about knots. I use pretty much the same knot for everything. Got your stick, or whatever it is, wrap it around twice, pull it through, and that's it, it's done. That way, no matter how much you pull on this, it's not going to come undone. Yeah? Pull that one, comes undone easy. So, go around once, go over itself, yeah? And then pull it through. Little loop, pull it through, yeah? And that way, this side will not come undone. Yep, it's nice and tight. That one, pull it once, comes undone. And again, over once, cross over itself, like that. You can do it loads if you want, if you've got plenty of cord. Yes, my fingers turn your colour. And then you pull it through itself, like that, like a loop. Yeah, it's like tying a shoelace. And that way, no matter how much you pull on this one, it won't come undone. When it comes time to undo it, like if it's 3 in the morning and your tent rips open or something, you just pull that one and it comes off.
Magic!
And it's attracted a branch, paracord. It loves going fishing for twigs and branches. And my walking stick. Oh, and of course, bowling. There's loads of videos online I do of bowling. It's not bowline, not bowline, it's a bowlin. Pronounced bowl, spelt bowline, but it's a bowlin.
Bloody Americans.
The definition of a bowlin is a temporary eye in the end of a rope. Also very good for people doing life-saving because it's something that you can undo when it's wet.
Bit like her knickers.
Hopefully I should be able to undo this from here, from both feet. Woohoo! Rather than just trying to bunch it all together and do it later, take your bunch, your bundle, and just throw it. And keep hold of the end. That way, oh look, more twigs. Aren't you happy? Fucking rope. Get off. Fucking twigs. That way there's less chance of it bunching up, because you've got more space to shake it. Doing up your cord, rope, stuff. Try and keep it loose. Grab hold the end, put it around your hand, so you're not going to let go of it, and then round the elbow over there. Keep this so you can feed your fingers through it. That way you're not going to find any snags, any weak points where it's going to break, so you know if it's weak or not because you'll feel it. Also, it means you're keeping it without any snags in it. If there are any twists, you'll feel it and you can push them down the rope. So like that. Don't grip it too tight, you get rope burn. Because you can feel when you get snags coming through. Just give it a shake and the snags will actually travel down the rope. This stuff does like getting tangled. Of course, if I was wearing my glasses, it'd be really easy. Don't try to force it if it's knotted. Don't just yank it, that just makes it go tight. Just get it loose and give it a shake. And just keep pushing it down the line. I mean, if you're in a dire situation, then you take more care of it. You make sure it's wrapped on a tree so it's not going to get snagged or tangled. I'm not that bothered. I'm in the woods. I'm not being invaded by Martians. Well, if I am, they better bring fucking lube, because I got hemorrhoids. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera, but it's fucking raining. I just can't feel anything. It is tempting to cut this into a smaller length. This is 10 meters. When you cut it, you're losing strength. Every time you cut something, you're losing strength. I'd rather spend an extra 5-10 minutes wrapping it up than not have enough. I do have a 5-meter length at home. It's just I'd rather have too much than not enough.
That's what she said.
Oh, a nice little comeback, aside from the back of your teeth, is someone gives you any grief.
That's what she said.
So what you got to do, just say that back to them.
Oh, that's what she said.
Oh, I'm going to kick shit out of you. That's what she said. I'm going to fuck your ass. Oh, that's what she said. That last bit's getting a bit too snaggly. Oh, if only I could see. I'm pretty sure it's string, not snake. Where the fuck is the end? Oh, there it is. Dee-dee-dee. Oh, that's getting painful. See, because my wrist got smashed up as well, you know, failed surgeries, nerves, tendons, ligaments, gripping stuff is painful. Da, 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 da. Yeah, it's all snagged down to one piece at the end. That's the hassle with cord. It does like to get snagged and tangled. Bit like an old biker's hair. Right, so it is now done. Just wrap it around and around and around and around and around and around. That's it, done. If you start looping it around, turn it in knots to stop it from coming undone, guarantee you'll forget which knot you've tied and it'll fall apart. That just goes in the back. That's it. I'm done. I'm pretty sure